Dedicated to continuous improvement, we've recently launched an app. The app is available on Android and Apple devices. On the bottom center part of the app, you will find a flashlight symbol. Selecting this will take you to the LED light screen. From there, you will be able to set a timer from 30 seconds all the way to 5 minutes, or simply just turn the light on and turn it off as you please. Upon selecting the gear icon, you will have the ability to visit our website, rate the app, and a number of other things. Moving back to the home screen, we have videos and tutorials, photos of repairs. You may contact us with the Contact tab, or share your experience. We also have an easy guide to repairs on the bottom left corner. Interested in looking at our other offerings? View those in our Product tab. This is simply much more efficient than the keychain light. With this app, you'll have the ability to not only cure your acrylic, but also contact us at your fingertips. Thank you for selecting HIMG products. We wish you a pleasant experience.